If you've ever purchased an outdoor rug for your patio or maybe even for your RV or trailer, you know that there can be a whole host of problems. The rain makes it soggy, it gets all mildewy, it's too light, it blows around, or worse, it slides every time you step on it. I want to show you this absolutely beautiful outdoor rug that was gifted to me by the brand MontVoo. It's a 5x8 flat weave outdoor rug that is absolutely dreamy. Now, while this was gifted to me by the brand, my thoughts and opinions are my own, and I gotta tell you, I am super impressed with it. It has a built-in rubber particle weave on the back that could be an absolute game changer in the outdoor rug arena. A quick tip for those of you who love a good unboxing. If you want to see what this looks like when it's shipped to my house from the brand, how I put it in place, and how long it took to make it look absolutely lovely, flat, and comfortable just like this, stay tuned to the end of the video because that's where I'll unbox it and share all those details. If you find this review helpful, be sure you hit the subscribe button right over there. And if you want to see what the current price is for this, the best available price is in the link in the description below. Now, first of all, let's talk design. I absolutely love the pattern of this rug and the way it feels on my feet. It is so soft. It feels like an indoor rug that you can actually use outside. It has a boho pattern and a flat weave construction that makes it super durable. I've had this one here on my deck for the last month. I have a dog and a cat. They're all over this, all over outside. I can vacuum it really quick. The hairs don't stick to it. It doesn't retain the pollen that's blowing around. And when it gets wet, it dries really quick. Just to give you an idea of how this does not move, I want to show you something. I'm literally pulling on this and I can't pull it backwards. It won't shift. It will stay in its place even when it's windy, even when people walk on it, even when there's all kinds of foot traffic. Now, most flat weave rugs are going to require a separate non-stick pad to go underneath, but the pad that's underneath here, that is the entire length and surface of this rug, is really fantastic. I'm really impressed with how well it actually grips the deck underneath. So whether you have composite decking, concrete, patio stones, this is going to hold its own and stay where you want it to stay. Now, because it's built for both indoors and outdoors, durability has to be a key in any consideration. This flat weaved construction here doesn't trap dirt, doesn't trap pollen, and the pet hair, like I mentioned before, it vacuums up really easy. The other thing I found is when it does get dirty, maybe you spilled a glass of wine on it, or maybe the dog came on with the muddy paws, cleanup is absolutely a breeze. All I do is either vacuum up the dirt or sweep it off with a broom. Now, if something has spilled on it and it's sunken in, cleanup is also really easy. It's just literally a little bit of warm soapy water on a cloth, hose it off, and it dries just like that. This is a rug that's built to handle sun, wind, dirt, rain, and even pollen and pet hair without showing signs of wear. Something else that impressed me about this MontVoo Flatweave indoor-outdoor rug is the quality of the finishes on this rug. I've already mentioned more than once that a standout feature of this rug is the rubber particle backing. However, I do have to say that it's worth commenting on the finish of the rug also. There are no frayed edges. Every single edge of this mat has been finished off with a stitch. There is a heavy overcast stitch on the edge of the fabric, and then it is turned over again with another stitch to hold everything in place. This helps the rug to lay flat and maintain its shape despite being in heavy wear areas and in all kinds of outdoor weather conditions. This MontVoo outdoor rug makes a stylish addition and an excellent anchor piece for a beautiful patio vista. You can choose from a wide variety of colors and designs, and it really goes a long way towards finishing your patio and making it a complete look that makes your space cozy, warm, and inviting. By the way, if you're enjoying practical home reviews like this one, where I detail great products we use around our house, be sure you go check out my Amazon storefront and give me a follow, because then you'll get lots of access to curated deals and also the best gear for your outdoor spaces, indoor spaces, and patio. As promised, here is the full unboxing experience. Now, straight out of the package, it rolls out pretty smooth, Flatweave materials like this can sometimes hold memory creases, but because weight and flexible rubber backing allow this to lay down flat, it definitely is something that is easy to install. What impressed me the most about this mat is that it lays flat really quickly without needing heavy books on the corners to help with curling up edges or prolonged creases. Overall, if you are looking for a low maintenance, high impact, beautiful outdoor indoor rug, this one here from MontVoo is definitely a top pick for me. It's versatile, it has beautiful color choices, it actually stays put without having to buy an extra accessory to go underneath like a non-stick mat. And as far as I'm concerned, this 5x8 rug absolutely delivers on all fronts. Check out the link in the description below to buy what you've just seen. Scan the QR code to move on over to my Amazon storefront, where you will find carefully curated lists of all my family's favorites. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you've got a question about this product, be sure to leave me a comment. I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching.